Austin, Raleigh, are you guys ready for steak night? Are you ready for steak night? You guys want some steak tonight? Okay, babies. Look, babies. Look, it's your steak night. It's your steak night. Steak night? You guys gonna do some steak night? Raleigh likes a steak night. That's a good steak night. Yes, it is. That's a good girl.